Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use draft reflected line. Okay, today discuss here draft reflect line is discuss here, and today CATIA lecture 37 is discuss here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, today discuss here draft reflect line, and we will see here. At first open a CATIA software interface, and this is our CATIA software interface, and at first drawing a 3D model, then use a draft reflect line command is used in CATIA because draft reflect line command a 3D command, but at first drawing a 3D model. Okay, at first select a plane and then draw a rectangle, and then this is a okay, and mention any dimension is a this is 130 and this is a 90. Okay, and exit pad, and pad is a 40 height. Okay, and this face is drawing a again draw a circle, this is a good, and mention dimension is a 45. Okay, and then use this point, and this center line is, and again this center line, and this okay, this center line, and this is a 40, and also 42 is correct, midpoint 44 is okay, and then use a 55, okay, 60 is correct. Okay, and pad is a this is a correct. Okay, and use a fillet is a 5, and this is a this fillet is use this face, and select this face is 5, and again okay, this is a correct, and okay, this pad is colorful, okay, pink, and this is a this point also a this point, this color, and this is a color is a this. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a 3D drawing, but use a draft reflect line. Okay, and you can see here draft reflect line is discussed here. Okay, at first select a S point, S fillet, and this edge is fillet at first. Okay, this is a 5 mm fillet. Okay, and then again use a draft fillet line. Okay, this line is a select and angle is 5 degree and face to draft is selected. Okay, and face to draft is select this edge point. Okay, this is a point is, and this is a angle is, increase the value 15 is correct, and then okay, this is a draft is correct. Okay, and this is also, this point is not select. Okay, this is undo, and this point is a correct. Okay. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 37 is discussed here, and point is a draft reflect line. Okay, and next lecture is coming soon, guys. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.